Did you know the famous three-headed dog Cerberus actually had a fourth head that could tell the future? This human head sat on his back and spoke prophecies to the dead souls passing by. But that's not even the strangest part. The original stories describe Cerberus as having 50 heads, not 3. He had bronze claws sharp enough to cut through the flesh of gods themselves, plus a serpent for a tail that could strike with deadly poison. This monster was born from 2 of the most terrifying creatures in Greek myth, Echidna, the half-woman, half-snake, and Typhon, the storm giant. Hades chose Cerberus specifically because he needed a guardian that could never be defeated. Only 3 heroes ever got past him. Hercules used his incredible strength. Orpheus played music so beautiful it made the beast fall asleep, and Psyche simply fed him honey cakes. Here's what most people don't know. Cerberus only attacked souls trying to escape the underworld. Getting in was easy, but the dead were never meant to return to the world of the living.